Okay, let's see if I can actually assemble the box, at least. Have the stuff in here. Um, I don't think that's actually any strands in the paracord. But that's just me. I might actually put this into my bushcraft kit. So I can, cook something during the day. Oh god, I can get out. But yeah, let me show you what I mean. This has no strands. I don't think this has strands in it at all. Let's see if I can actually put together things like this. Does it tell me how to do it? I don't think it does. So, this tells me about the solar oven. Does it tell you how to put it together? By the way, when I say it's small, yeah, that's the circumference of what you'd be cooking. I think this. Wait, what? Let me see how this. Wait, how does this do this? Okay, like this. I do that. This, like this. Delay. All it says is find a sunny area. We suggest finding a place to where there is direct sunlight. Blah blah blah. There's no instructions on how to build. Oh god. I know this right here. Oh no, wait. I think right here. Yeah, I think right here. We take these two tabs out. We can move it back in here because I did it. Oh wait. What? What? Is it telling me not how to build this? I think you wait. I think you need. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. This and this. Then you fold this like this and like this, like that. Like right. Oh. Okay. Yeah. These things right here go into these. Okay. Okay, that goes into that. That goes into that. That goes into that. That goes into this. Seriously. Then this goes into this. Oh no, wait. Okay, yeah. This goes into here. Fight. Dynamite. If you want to know what that is, look up CWA Wrestling. We are Dynamite, I think. Tell you this. Okay, yeah. Okay, like this. Then these two go in here. Okay. Jesus Christ, that's a small flipping. That is a one slice pizza box. Actually, no, let's do that. Let's do this. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm doing this. Put these two inside here. And then put these. Right. No, then put these two. Okay, no. I know how to do this. Okay. Fold these four in. Like this. Right? To where these go right here. But these both go into these little tabs. Like this. This is a small flip. Jesus Christ, it's a small box. Like that. Jesus Christ. Well, it's for 8 plus, so wait. And then you do this and this. Then do this. And this. So, guess how big the solar oven is? Frick all. But yeah. It looks so big on here. So yeah, I got the solar oven in, or on. At least I know how to do this, so I'm able to, you know, this is for like, of course it shows, nachos, really? Nachos, really? Nachos, really? S'mores, yes. Popcorn. That is not going to be enough popcorn. Nachos, really? I'm not kidding. As you see, yeah. So yeah, I have this ready. That's good. Yeah. And to take it apart, you just do. Okay, basically, okay. So before you put these things right here into this, have both side tabs in already. So yeah. Well, at least I know how to do it, so that's pretty good. And then it can easily fit back into that. Yeah. Dynamite. Right. Dynamite. Every day another city. Every day another town. Doodle-doo, nitty-gritty. Doodle-loo. And the thing you'll be cooking on is this. So you can get one of those like little sheets. I'll show you real quick. I got some over here. Basically, these sheets. The pop-up foil sheets, you can get these. And bam, you have yourself, you know, a thing to cook on. Every night another city, every night another town. Nitty gritty, yes I will. That's the thermometer right there for it. I want to see if the buckle actually has any. I guarantee it doesn't though. I'm gonna get the buckle out. Oh god, how do I get it though? Yes, the thing is supposed to be on the. I think that should have had a fill rod on there. That's just me. I'm not doing this. Sorry about. Right. This does not have any coin in it. I swear to God. See that? If you can squish like that, there's no coin. Wow. Don't depend on us on your life. Wow. Wow. U.S. Army, you could have easily put in actual paracord. I don't want paracord basis anyway. But yeah. This is for the four-way sundial. That's the E right in the middle. So yeah. I'm gonna do that one next. At least this is easy to get open. I've actually never did a box like this, so. Oh yeah, the sticker was supposed to not be on here, by the way. What's this? What are you? Oh, see the book? Has the thing? Wow. That's stupid. That is stupid. But at least I have I'm actually probably going to be using this, but with one of the sheets. Because I want to have this for emergency use. Every night another city, every night another town. Really good tea. Yeah, I put it in here because, yeah, why not? So I can have at least... Okay, good. Thanks for doing that. Let's put this in here. Every night another city. Wow. I didn't put back the paracord. Or the thing. Okay, if you're gonna make the bracelet, get actual paracord with strands in it. That's my advice. That is my advice. That is literally my advice. That is my advice. Because you're not gonna be. Don't. No. Oh my god. Get a cheapo paracord bracelet with actual strands in it. Holy crap. That's for kids, really? Well, I suppose kids usually have, like, you know, things for fishing and all that. So yeah, that's how you get the solar oven. That's smaller. Look at that. It makes it look like it's huge. I am sure of one thing. That don't look like that. It really doesn't. Wow. I'm gonna check the other one I have. The one from Menards to see if that's like this. So yeah, I promised I would assemble that. I will assemble the full. Actually, the 4-way sundial should be piss easy. Wait, is the thing behind that? For that? I think it is. That'll be next time because that's where it took me. As you see, it's not really like that. It doesn't say solar oven, solar oven, solar oven, solar. It was a solar oven on two sides. Wow, that's annoying. Anyway, by the way, I had this in my aunt's house, so. Also, I'll be doing some bushcraft stuff, non-filmed. Then when I get comfortable, I'll film it. I am not doing tap water because the tap water here is not potable. And besides, you can make your own filter anyway. All you gotta do is get a bottle, cut open the thing at bottom. Then you can start. That's all you gotta do, honestly. Anyway, peace.